What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bowser from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a curve for the top edge of the nose. So we'll start on the left side. We want to bend this up in the middle, go across, and then bring that back down. Now on either side we're going to add a fold coming in and then down for the nostrils. Now I want to tuck the muzzle in behind the nose. So on the left side we're going to step up, draw almost like a circle going all the way around. And we want to pull that up in the center. Let's go up over towards the right side, going around, up, and then tucking that in. Now underneath the muzzle on either side, we're going to curve the mouth, coming in and then down towards the lower lip. Now layer the lower lip on top. So we're going to step over, bend this up in the middle, and then back down. Let's add two large fangs on either side. So on the left, bend this down and in, and this in and then up. And we'll just line that up on the right side. Then we'll add two small fangs across the bottom, bending this up toward the top and then back down. Now in the center, we're going to add the tongue, starting over on the left, bend this up and then down in the middle, go up and then down towards the right. And we want to fill the back of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Let's move back up to the top and draw on the cheeks. From the top of the muzzle, curve this all the way around, come down, and we're just going to bend that in. Let's go to the right. We're going to do the same thing, going all the way around the cheek, come down, and then bend that in. Let's go back to the side. We're going to create a fold. So we're going to step out, bend this down, and then in towards the chin. And then we'll round out the chin, starting back on the left, going around, across the bottom, and just pull that up in the middle, come down and out towards the right, and then pull that in. Let's go all the way up towards the nose and draw on the inside of the brow. We're going to move over towards the left, then it's in and then up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to work our way across the bottom of the brow, starting on the left, go out, and then pull that up. Going to round out the brow and then come down along the outside. Let's add a point on the end, going up and then in. Let's add another point, going out and then down. Go all the way up towards the top of the brow and then bend that in. Now I want to create a layer. Stepping back, I'm going to go up towards the top of the eyebrow. I just want to taper this down and then in towards the inside of the brow. Let's go to the top of this curve. We're going to round out the eye, going out and then in. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start underneath the brow. We're going to draw a half circle, going around and then in towards the side of the nose. And then in the center, draw a small black dot. Let's go all the way up towards this point, curve the head, going around the eye, and then down towards the cheeks. Let's go to the inside of the eyebrow. We're going to add a fold, coming in and then down on either side. Now I'm going to step up, curve the head, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to place the hair on top, starting on top of the left brow, curve this out, up, and then in, and then taper that down, and then in. Let's add another point. Along the side, bend this up, and then in toward the center point, come down and out, and I'll bend that back in towards the bottom. Let's add one more point along the side. Bend this up and in, go all the way around, and pull that in toward the top of the right brow. Now I'm going to finish off by adding the horns along the side of the head. Let's start from the outside of the brow, go out, down, and then in toward the side of the head. And this is for the base of the horns. Now from the top, it's going to curve the horn, going out and then up, and line that up on the right side. Let's bend this all the way around the outside of the horn and pull that in towards the bottom of the base. I'll do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Bowser from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.